My name is Doug Fearn. I'm president of the Lyme Disease Association of Southeastern Pennsylvania. Lyme disease is a bacterial infection that most people get from the bite of a deer tick. The ticks are active almost all year round, but when the weather's warmer, they're more active. So you're more likely to encounter them, and you're more likely to be out in their environment in the warmer months. So this is the time of the year when most people get bitten. This is also the time of the year when you're most likely to encounter the nymphal stage of the tick, which is very tiny. And you're not likely to spot that tick on you unless you're really looking for it. And you can't feel them crawling on you because they're just too small. If they're just crawling on you, you're probably safe. But if they've actually attached to you and started to drink your blood, then, you're at risk. Pennsylvania has more cases of Lyme disease than any state in the country. And it has for many, many years. And the southeastern part of the state has the highest rate in the whole state. And where we are here in Chester County has the highest rate in Pennsylvania. We don't think, though, that Chester County is unique. We just think we have better reporting here. We think it's probably about the same throughout the state of Pennsylvania. It's a very serious disease. When I speak any place in the state, people always tell me the same thing. Their perception is that they're in the worst possible place for Lyme disease. The numbers have gradually gone up. The official CDC numbers are about 30,000 cases in the United States each year. But they think only about 1 out of 10 cases gets reported. We think it's a lot less than that. There's probably hundreds of thousands, maybe millions of people that are infected each year. And it's probably due mostly to the increase in the deer population, because in a lot of places like this, this part of the state where I grew up, when I was a kid, we didn't see deer. They just didn't exist here. We didn't see ticks either. You might see a dog tick once a year or something, but you never saw the deer ticks. But since we've created this environment that's perfect for deer, and they have no natural predators here, we just have a whole lot of deer. And each deer can have 3,000 ticks on them. So that's an awful lot of ticks in the environment, and that's why it's so prevalent now.